As you probably noticed if you've seen my other videos, I'm not in my room right now. That's because I'm in Bali. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 skills that you can learn for free that will help you get hired or even, like me, work from anywhere. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, like I promised you guys, we're going to talk about the top 5 skills that you need in order for you to get hired in this skills-based market. Most of the employers right now don't look at your educational attainment as one of the things na pinaka-priorities nila. Actually, being an HRD head for some time, one of the things na automatic na tinitingnan ko sa resumes ng mga people ay yung skills na section. Bakit? Kasi usually, when you sit there sa HRD, and like nyo na lang kung HR kayo at nakaka-relate kayo dito, you would see hundreds of resumes who are basically alike. Pareho yan usually na educational attainment, pareho yan ng job experiences. Pero there's one thing that sets one applicant apart. It's the number of skills that they can bring to the table. Now, I would even argue that even without a higher educational attainment, as long as you have these skills, you will actually get hired. Or if not, you can even work for yourself and start freelance jobs right away. Now, like I said, I partnered with Skillshare in this video, and at the end of the video, I'm going to explain how you guys can get free access, 2 months free na premium access, 25,000 courses and more that they have available on their website right now. That's available for the first 500 of you guys who will sign up. So please wait until the end of the video so you can get those instructions and get that free access. Alright, so what is the first skill that you need? Plain and simple, and I keep talking to you about this, you need language skills. When you talk about language skills, hindi lang yan nakafocus on just English. Learning a different language than English would also help you. So if hindi kayo masyadong sabihin na comfortable with English and English pronunciation, you can actually jump into Spanish. With us being Filipinos, it's easier for us to understand and learn Spanish simply because we already have a lot of words that we share in common with them, like mesa at iba-iba pang mga words. So, meron ka ng medyo even a playing field. If you, for example, live in Zamboanga, you have an edge over this kasi malapit na kayo doon. So, i-maximize nyo yan, learn a new language. It's not enough that you can read and understand the language. What really means more is we can actually write in that language. Writing short articles will actually earn you money online. Pwede nyo siyang gawin kahit meron kayong full-time job. You can do this as your part-time or extra income. And if you're just waiting on your next full-time job, you can actually do this for now. A good thing about Skillshare is they actually have a number of good programs when it comes to reading, understanding language, and especially writing then. I'm going to recommend a few of those in the links below. The next skill that you need is very, very important, and yun yung Microsoft Office. Now, a lot of people would say, marunong naman po ako mag-Microsoft Office eh, pero ang alam lang talaga nila is how to open a document, maybe write a document, and save a document. But there are a lot of skills that you can learn, and you can actually use these programs for that. So, kung marunong kayo mag-Word, don't just focus on just typing stuff. Learn basic na pag-layout ng mga documents, learn kung paano maglagay ng comments, paano mag-modify at mag-revise ng mga documents for you to create your own templates. These are things that you will also need to learn. If you know how to use Microsoft PowerPoint really well, that could help you not just making your own PowerPoint presentations, but you can actually showcase this talent para kahit paano makasidle up kayo to your bosses and show them na, okay, this person really has potential. And you can be that point person when it comes to that. And that can open a lot of doors for you. One of the things that I used to do when I used to work for a corporate company was actually do that for the big bosses. And that's a good way for me to actually shake their hands and for them to actually know me. So when a promotion opportunity comes along, madali nila kayong matatandaan. Now, another overlooked na Microsoft Office tool is yung Excel. I'm not really good at that, pero yung twin sister ko is really good. She does programming and nakagawa siya ng mga macros using Excel. And I think she's planning to make a series on that din sa channel niya. So, ililink ko na lang din sa baba. Now, it's very important for you to know not just yung basics, but also how to make your own formulas and stuff, because that is going to trim a lot of time out of your work workflow and your work process. And if you can actually do that and implement that sa buong office ninyo, makakascore kayo ng brownie points and maybe a commendation or two. Third skill is graphic illustration. Let's throw in pati movie editing na rin dyan. This is actually something that you can learn for free online, and this can actually earn you money right away. When I was in college, one of the things that I used to do to earn extra money for my own expenses was work on posters and booklets, pamphlets, anything na kailangan ng Adobe Photoshop dahil meron pa yun noon. And of course, I used to work on t-shirt designs din for myself and actually design our own merch dahil marunong ako ng Photoshop. And that actually opened a lot of doors for me. Also helped me earn a lot of money. Actually ngayon, looking back, hindi ko na alam kung gaano karaming pera na yung kinita ko using just that. Kasi most of the things din na ginagawa natin dito ay ginagamitan ko ng same skills. Like for example, all of our logos and stuff, I made them myself. Kaya medyo wonky lalo na nung nagsisimula. And even sa video editing, I actually edit my own videos. So, itong mga skills na to, this can come into play whether you're working for a corporate company or kung gusto nyo lang talaga mag-freelance. And again, you can learn this for free. One of my good friends, si Jobet, actually learned all of his videography and cinematography skills through YouTube. Yun nga yung online school ng YouTube. And he's actually doing so great right now. Meron siyang sarili niyang production outfit and he actually makes a lot of good content. Fourth skill is web design. So, web design, akala natin parang hindi natin kayang ma-figure out, but it's actually quite simple if you're really interested dito. And you can also learn this for free. You can learn this online by yourself. You just need a bit of courage, a lot of patience, and of course, time. Now, bakit siya magiging helpful? Whether you're trying to get hired sa isang company, or kung gusto nyo mag-start ng sarili ninyong business, or kung gusto nyo mag-start ng sarili ninyong mga freelance na endeavors, this is a good skill to learn. Now, bakit sa company? Kasi most of the companies, whether private or public, wala yung mga sarili nilang mga websites. And regardless of yung kung ano yung inyong educational attainment or kung related siya sa course ninyo, if you actually could show them something that you made yourself, that is going to give you a lot of opportunities. Kasi pagdating sa IT, hindi naman requirement na IT graduate ka for you to be good at web design. Kung meron kayong kahit 1 or 2 samples that you can show them, pagdating sa interview, I'm pretty sure you'll get that job right away. Another good thing is, again, mahal yan. And alam ko yan kasi ngayon nawala na akong time to do it myself. I've looked into hiring people to set up yung sariling website ng Team Laika din and help me with the maintenance of it. And it really does cost a lot of money. So, imagine niyo kung kaya niyo yung gawin. Baka kayo na yung susunod na mag-design ng website ng Team Laika, di ba? Yung number 5 skill is project management. If you're not familiar with it, I suggest na you start researching. Kasi this is one of the, sabihin natin, fairly new na mga positions or titles or skills na kailangan. And ang maganda dito is that it makes use of a plethora of other skills na some of which you probably already have. And dahil Pilipino tayo, madiskarte tayo. At basically, diskarte naman na pinapairal dyan. So I'm pretty sure kayang-kaya nyo yun. Now, I tried to get into project management before para lang, wala lang, for fun. And there are a lot of paid courses online. They actually cost quite a bit of money. That's why when I found out sa Skillshare, meron din silang mga ganito, I realized that this will be a good fit for you guys. Maybe you can learn that through yung access na ibibigay sa inyo ng Skillshare sa aming partnership. Now, sino ba nag-hire ng mga project manager? Hindi lang mga private companies yan, pati government agencies and better yet, intergovernment or international na mga NGOs, they always look for project managers. And as a project manager, edge nyo rin if you can speak multiple languages and if you know all the other skills that I already talked about. If you're good at writing, if you can actually do a bit of graphic design and a little bit of design work, all of these things will come into play and magsasama-sama siya into that. Now, ang masasabi ko sa inyo is, if you get a job with that title, medyo malaki din yung pera, and hindi lang doon, it will give you a lot of opportunities to travel, and not just help yourself and your family, but the community where you're going to be assigned to. So, magandang opportunity yan. Congratulations for reaching the end of the video. Now, it's time for me to talk a little bit about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and all of these skills that I talked to you about today. They have an option for premium membership, which gives you unlimited access to all the courses that they have available right now. Now, whether you are doing this for fun or for your career, this is the perfect place for you to never stop learning, as we always say. Now, let me just walk you through the website and show you some of the classes that I'm taking, and maybe I can even see you there. Now, instead of paying huge money for these courses that you can take in other platforms, you can just pay a monthly fee of less than $10 a month for unlimited access to all of these courses. And you can join more than 7 million creators who are in Skillshare. Now, like I promised you guys, the first 500 of my subscribers to use the link below will get a 2-month free trial. And I hope you're one of those people. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo kung naghanap din sila ng job, or if they're just wanting to learn a new skill. Thanks, guys, and as we always say, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.